Hey, I'm Sam from TopmaQ. Welcome to our new website. If you're stuck placing an order or just browsing the site, this quick video will give you a head start. First things first, if you're on mobile, click the link in the top right corner now to view the mobile version. Alright, let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to www.topmac.co.nz or simply search TopmaQ in your preferred search engine. Okay, great, you're here on our homepage. You can search for products straight away here, or browse our categories here. We've also got a great number of deals and handy links across the homepage. Scroll through to check them out. Once I've found a product I like, I can hover over the image and click Quick View to get some quick information, including additional images and stock information. I can then quickly add any quantity to my cart or click More Details to navigate to the product page. Let's jump back a bit though. If I don't click Quick View, I can simply click on the text or image to jump straight to the product page. On the product page, I get a whole bunch more information. I can view larger images and even video. Hey look, it's me. I can see stock information here, weekly payment costs for lay-by, add items to my wish list, estimate shipping. I can even update my location here with a postcode or search my full address. Scroll down and I'll see product specifications and features. If it's available, I can also get the product manuals here too. Now I definitely want to buy this item, so let's add it to my cart. The cart pops up on the side as I add things to it. Once I've found everything I want, I can open the cart up the top here and then proceed to checkout. We've designed a simple one-page checkout solution to make your shopping experience as easy as possible. If you're an existing customer, simply log in or continue as a guest and you can register after if you'd like. Now enter your details and search for your address. If you can't find it, click here to enter it manually. Next, choose your payment option. We've got a great range of options here, including credit card, finance and direct credit, and are constantly working to expand our options so you can pay your way. If you need more information on our payment options, there's a link below. Last chance to review your order. If you have a promo code, you can add it here too. If you want to go back at any time and continue shopping, you can do so, and the checkout will remember everything you've entered, so you don't have to fill it all in again. Great, it's time to check out. Hit checkout and process your order. We will send you an email to confirm your order and another one when it's ready to pick up or dispatch for delivery, along with some tracking information. That's it. Simple, right? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like any further help, contact us via live chat or our contact page. Happy shopping!